In rotation, let's understand the concept of length of day and night. As you can see in the picture, the northern hemisphere remains inclined towards the sun for half year and the southern hemisphere during the other half year. So that is why the northern pole is inclined towards the sun and the south pole is turned away from the sun. Thus, a large part of northern hemisphere receives sunlight and this results in the longer days and shorter nights in the northern hemisphere. Also, it is reverse in the southern hemisphere during this time. That means in the southern hemisphere there are longer nights and shorter days. Similarly, during the rotation of the earth, when the south pole is inclined towards the sun and the north pole is turned away from the sun, thus a large part of south hemisphere receives sunlight and this results in longer days and shorter nights in southern hemisphere, and it is again reverse in the northern hemisphere during this time. Also, you know that throughout the year the length of days and night is equal at the equator, that is, it is of 12 hours each. Revolution of the earth. While the earth is rotating on its axis, it also revolves around the sun. This motion of earth is called revolution. The earth revolves around the sun from west to east. The speed of earth's revolution is about 30 km per second. The earth takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 56 seconds to complete one revolution around the sun. That is about 365 and 1/4 days. Or we say that the earth takes one complete year to complete one revolution. This revolution is also called annual motion of the earth. We count 365 days in a year. The balance of 6 hours is taken as one extra day after every 4 years. That is why one more day is added in the month of February in that year, and thus the February becomes of 29 days, and the year in which February have 29 days, that year has total 366 days. Such a year is called leap year, with the extra day in the month of February. When the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum, that time the earth is said to be in perihelion. It happens on 4th January or around 4th January every year. You know, the concept of perihelion has been explained very well in the movie Mission Mangal, so you can watch it as well. When the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum of about 151 million kilometers, the earth is said to be in aphelion. The sun is in this position on around 4th July every year.